What's up guys, welcome back with me Cindy Compare. Today I want to spot the difference between the real and fake pairs of Nike Kobe 5 PROTRO Lakers colorway. So let's find out where is the difference. As you guys can see, just like the other colorways, the line here on the upper material isn't straight with the midsole, like the authentic one here is connect. The line here on the upper material also slightly to the right isn't centered with the midsole, isn't straight, still be like the authentic one here. This one, the shape of the midsole is looking so terrible on the fake one. On the authentic one, a little bit sharper. And also this one is slightly to the right. The line on the upper material here isn't straight with the midsole. Another one also still same. The flyway cable isn't centered, isn't placed right in the middle compared to the authentic one here. And also here, the gold line here is slightly to the right, isn't straight like the authentic one here. Another sample also, there is a white glue stain right on top of the midsole, it's looking dirty. And also on the back here, still same. This one isn't straight. The upper material here isn't straight like the authentic one here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, the holes on the authentic one here is placed right on top of the midsole curve, as you can see here. On the fake one is too much to the right, it's slightly to the right here. As you guys can see, it will be like slightly to the left like this. Another sample, as you guys can see, this one isn't straight with the midsole, still be like the authentic one here. This one is slightly to the left. And also this one, the holes on the authentic one is only 2 below the Nike shoes. This one is 6 or 7 here. And also the hole size is a little bit smaller on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. So this one is slightly to the right, it isn't straight with the midsole here. And look at on the authentic one here. Another one also, this one, there is no gap here on the marking area between the yellow line and the holes. And also this one should be like the authentic. This one, the holes on the bottom here is slightly to the right. It should be right on top of the marking area here, like the authentic one. Looking from above here, as you can see on the tongue, the color is totally different. This one is too much white color on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see, the direction of the material pattern here is wrong on the fake one compared to the authentic. This one also still same, there is a white glue stain also on top of the ankle protection. The Kobe signature here isn't solid like the authentic one here. Take a closer look, the direction of the material pattern is wrong. This one is straight horizontal, this one is straight vertical. And also the Kobe signature here on the fake one is a little bit thinner compared to the authentic one here, it's a little bit thicker. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, or you can leave in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.